All right, today I'm going to show you a Canva hack I discovered. It will save you much time generating AI images. It will save you time from generating prompts. What we need to do, we'll go to Canva apps, we'll type gen model, we'll click here. Now, this is the app. I will select here to choose an image because I want to import a particular dress from outside. I've uploaded it. Now, it gives you the opportunity to choose both male or female. Also, age, let's use 45. Then, look at one thing special about this hack, ethnicity. It allows you to choose ethnicity, either East Asia, South Asia, Africa, Caribbean, Mexico, Central America, South America, European, just name it. But let's just use Africa first. Then the skin tone, also give provision for skin tone. I use something, I use a medium, or no, let's use brown. Let's use brown. Then you now choose the ratio of the image. This is the ratio of the image. I'll just click generate as fast as it's generating the image. And this is our image. I'll click add to design. Or if I don't click add to design, I'll come and click save to upload. It will go straight to your uploads in Canva. So this is the image we just generated now. This is just very simple. Now let's try a female version of it. Go to start over. I'll use the same image. I'll click female. Let's use an European. Let's use a fair lady. Click generate. And that's our image. Very simple. If you want to create a corporate flyer, you need someone on corporate attire. You just need to just download the dress you want that person to put on, and one click, it will generate the image for you. Join our 5-day Canva Masterclass starting from 17th of August to the 25th of August, where you will learn Canva basics, business design, motion graphics, social media design, and how to use Canva Magic AI tools. You will also learn some Canva hacks, how you can use some Canva apps to save time while designing in Canva, how you can use some Canva apps to do some magics in Canva in a very quick succession. Join us, just register now and join us. The countdown begins.